Lightwave PLUS membership unlocks system features that are unrivaled in the smart home industry. Let's take a closer look. Custom multi-press means any button can trigger different actions based on the number of times it has been pressed. A double press could trigger your floor lamps, and a triple press could turn on your heating or turn off every light in your home. The possibilities are endless. Custom button mapping allows each pair of buttons on a smart dimmer to be swapped around, regardless of the wiring. If you love a bit of theatre or want to add a splash of lighting design to your home, Lightwave PLUS members gain access to custom dimming profiles. This means you can gradually increase your lighting in the morning or add a luxurious twist to your kitchen lighting zones. Lightwave PLUS members can view 13 months of historical events to track improvements to your energy consumption and carbon footprint. On top of the other Lightwave PLUS benefits, such as priority member support, data backup and restore, extended product warranty, and reward points. These enhanced system features represent the evolution of home automation and allow Lightwave PLUS members to take their smart home to the next level. Visit our website to learn more or call our team of experts and we'll be more than happy to help.